If you are seeing the error message that says this version of Vanguard requires UEFI secure boot to be enabled in order to play while trying to play Valorant, then this video is for you. So basically what you need to do is enable secure boot from your BIOS to fix it. In this video, I'll show you how to enable secure boot on your ASRock motherboard, MSI motherboard, and also Asus motherboard. So let's start with the ASRock motherboard. Now the first thing that you have to do is restart your computer. So just go to start and then restart and wait for the screen to go black. And as soon as it goes black, you need to start pressing the delete key from your keyboard. So just keep pressing the delete key until you see the BIOS menu. You may also have to press the F2 key if the delete key doesn't work. And there it is. We are inside the BIOS. Now from here, go to security and then click on secure boot. Now in here, the secure boot mode, first you need to set it to standard from custom. And then you need to click on the disable right next to secure boot and then click on enabled. Now if you see something like this, which is the motherboard is asking you to disable CSM first. So in that case, what you have to do is just click on OK and then go to boot. And then from the bottom, click on CSM and then disable it first. Then go to exit and then click on save changes and exit and then click on yes. And now after the restart, we are going to keep pressing the delete key again or the F2 key to enter the BIOS one more time to disable the secure boot. And there it is. Now just go to security again and then go to secure boot. And this time we will be able to enable it. And then just go to exit and then save and exit and then click on yes. And we are basically done. Now once your PC restart, secure boot will be enabled on your ASRock motherboard. For the MSI motherboard, enter the BIOS just like before. Now from here, to make changes to secure boot, all you need to do is just go to settings from here and then go to advanced. Now click on Windows OS configuration and in here click on CSM and then select UEFI instead of CSM. And once you do that, you can see that we have the secure boot option available, but we cannot change that option right now. We need to save the changes first. So just click on this cross icon here and then click on yes. Now we need to keep pressing the delete key one more time to enter this setup. Now go back to settings one more time and then advanced, Windows OS configuration, and then go to secure boot. Now in here, you can click on disabled and then click on enabled. And if we go to secure boot mode, it should be selected as standard. And once you're done, just click on that cross icon from the top right and then click on yes. And we are basically done. That will enable the secure boot on your MSI motherboard. Now for your Asus motherboard, once you enter the BIOS, what you have to do is just go to the bottom and then click on advanced mode or press F7 from your keyboard. And in here, first we are gonna go to the boot tab and then disable the CSM support. So just click here and then click on disabled and then go to the security tab. And in here, you can see the secure boot control. Just click on disabled and then click on enabled. And once you're done, go to save and exit and then click on save changes and exit. Then click on OK. And we are done for the Asus motherboard as well. And that is how you can fix the Vanguard error and play the game Valorant. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.